In the village of Thinkersville, there lived a young man named René, known for his insatiable curiosity. One day, he pondered a question: how do I know that I truly exist? His quest for the answer led him to seek advice from the village elders, but their responses left him unsatisfied. One evening, as René questioned the reality of everything around him, a mischievous sprite named Decepto appeared. "You're wise to question the world's reality," the sprite said. "I am Decepto, the master of illusions, and I can make you believe anything I desire." Undeterred, René asked, "How can I be certain of anything? How can I know that I exist at all?" Amused, Decepto challenged René, "I will create an illusion so powerful that you'll doubt your existence. If you can prove you exist, despite my trickery, I will grant you the answer you seek." With a snap, Decepto plunged René into a world of deception. René felt his surroundings slipping away, and for a moment, he doubted his existence. But in the midst of this confusion, a spark of clarity emerged. "I may not know the true nature of the world around me," René declared, "but there is one thing I cannot doubt: my thoughts. For even as I question my existence, I am thinking, doubting, and seeking the truth." Astonished by René's insight, Decepto conceded defeat. "Your thoughts prove your existence. Remember this lesson, René: I think, therefore I am." Decepto vanished, leaving René with newfound confidence in his own existence. From that day on, he became a beacon of wisdom in the village, reminding others of the power of their thoughts and the undeniable truth of their existence.